think I'm recording. Yeah. Woohoo! So we got Agent Cox on my BMW. I'm on his FZ09. Man, this thing's fun. There's so much torque in this thing.
On that one?
Yeah.
Oh no, yeah, what you get to control. Oh,
What
okay.
the hell?
Okay. They don't call it Gordon for no reason, you know? You probably have the giant smile on his face right now.
They already gave me the thumbs up. I forgot how comfortable this is though.
Like,
it makes me want like a second bike. I mean, I got the FZ07, but that's my girl's now.
Yeah. You grab it and she kill you. So you lost it now, it's all mine.
I'm glad it cleared up for her though.
Yeah. So this guy's just blinking but not moving.
Like, get out of my way, bro!
I was waiting, I was gonna go, ah! But nothing. Like, alright.
I'm gonna tell Agent to just let it rip.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Over here on this side.
There he goes.
There you go.
I was starting to feel a little too much wind. I was like, let me not get the speed wobbles on someone else's bike. Got Agent over here trying to get a still shot of him for later. I forgot how much fun this FZ09 is, man. Sounds good with the M4 too.
I haven't ridden a naked bike before. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's like seating position is like the 300, you know?
Yeah, it's a little more comfortable, I would say, but depending on the bike, depending on the seat and everything, this one's really comfortable.
Yeah.
It makes riding long distance more comfortable.
Does it?
Yeah. I like these levers. Make me want to get some ASVs for my bike. Careful, there's a truck.
Yeah, I saw it. Trying to make it faster for you guys, but I guess you're not letting you in.
Got cooler up here. Let's go back south. Ooh, I get to hear that popcorn from over here.
Pop, 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 pop.
Pop, pop, pop. I should have told him if he backed off the throttle, he could hear it a lot.
Oh, yeah, he probably had fun with that.
So weird using the clutch to downshift. It's so weird, like the BMW spoils you. It's like it makes you lazy. I almost forgot I had a motorcycle. Luxuries, man.
Master Link, would you like to make this 90-degree turn? High lead or low lead?
Please push the green button.
Because it'll be on the left side. We need to go all the way across.
All the way across?
Yeah.
Good.
Pump over there?
We're gonna park by the parking lot spaces and then we'll go over there real quick. We're just gonna swap bikes, I think.
Filling up over here.
Okay.
I'm surrounded, man.
You're surrounded.
They're hungry.